Started in 2004, International Project Management Day has been a growing global movement to celebrate the contributions of project managers. Professional associations, corporate PMOs, and other groups have held celebratory events on the first Thursday of November in honor of those who work hard to bring positive change into the world through their projects. Procept Associates Limited and its related companies have been hosting a free one-day conference in Toronto, Canada in support of International Project Management Day since 2010. This event brings together thought leaders in the Canadian project management community, along with practicing project managers and those aspiring to the profession, to share knowledge, build relationships, and promote further growth in the profession. This annual event showcases some of the country's top project management speakers, sharing their latest research and the emerging trends in the profession. Over the past few years, Procept has also held the final stage of the PM Paper Competition during the International PM Day celebration. The PM Paper Competition brings together teams of university and college students to present research papers on project management lessons learned from real-world projects. The finalists come to the International PM Day celebration to present their findings and answer audience and judge questions in an American Idol type competition. The winning team receives tuition money and other prizes. Combining these two events brings energy and excitement to a day of learning and networking. The annual International Project Management Day celebration in Toronto is just one way we can come together to promote the growth of this important and fast-growing profession.